I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say, it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright.
We're here again in Sirao. We're supposed to go to Mountain View, but it was closed. They didn't open until March. So kutas with my siblings and cousin. Oh my gosh, it's so much. It's so kutas. Morning, easy morning, go on the dog. It's so lanay na. Instead of vanilla ice cream, it's like vanilla shake. No. You're not allowed to have chocolate. I gave you fries. I gave you my burger. Look at this good boy. It's so nice to brush him. He has so many loose hairs. But you cannot eat this. It's chocolates. You wanna go with them? Go with them, Kang. Ah, ni sana siya, awa. Natinganas. Is it nice? Is it nice? So nice. Ah. He's biting your shoe. Anyway, last week we actually went here with my friends for Valentine's. We had a picnic in that tree over there, and what's really cool is that there were two dogs that are from this area. Before we settled into that tree, we were actually like hiking there, and two of our friends actually hiked way up more to see if there was like a spot that was better than here. And then the two dogs kept trailing behind them, and then the entire time that we were here, like the entire afternoon, the two dogs were just like chilling and we were feeding them. And then when it was time to leave, we hiked down and the dogs kept trailing behind us as well. And then when we reached the gate area, they just paused and then waited for us to leave, and then they went back to this area. And it was really cool because it felt like the entire time that we were in this land, they were like watching over us, they were guiding us. When we went home, me and my friends were so amazed by these two dogs. We were kind of like convincing ourselves that these dogs were like the spirits of the forest, like in those Studio Ghibli films. I think a more logical conclusion is that these dogs are kind of like the shepherds here. They're actually houses in the far end of this land. There's lots of like carabaos scattered around here, so someone's probably watching over them, and these dogs are probably like their shepherds or something. Sometimes I like to be superstitious, and so I believe these dogs are like the spirits of the forest. My sister actually hiked here like back in 2019, and yeah, this place is so nice. I can't believe that every time we're here there's very little people. Like there's only like one other group here. I suggest that if you would want to go to this area, just be mindful of the noise that you're making and pick up after your trash. This is such a beautiful piece of land. There's no entrance fee, and so the least you could do is just respect the land. Hey Sean, look up. Hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
One of the reasons why we're out today is because we usually make it a goal to take Sean out for like random ngalaag once a month. Take out food, just stay there, sit down, breathe in fresh air that's not from the city. Just like peace and quiet. He has met the spirit of the forest in dog form. That dog looks like his name is Brown. Right there, the spirit of the forest is eating his lunch. This is AC. You've seen her in my previous vlog. She's like our 5th sibling. Ako ilang pet. Si Among Joker. Oh yeah, show them our matching hydro flasks. We bought hydro flasks last week.
I had the straw lid.
Oh yeah, she has the straw lid para like masip-sip. And then she bought the black nga. What do you call this? Boot. I have the pink boot. Sit. I have no master. Come Sean, sit here. Here. Whoa! Anyway, I've always wanted a hydro flask, but it keeps slipping my mind. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my god. Oh, it's dead. It's on my phone! Hello! I broke its wing. Bruh. Persian AC are downstairs cleaning up, and my chore was to prepare my brother for bed. I'm experiencing Gabber syndrome. I'm so sleepy and full. Yeah, I will look at the This is soju, Yakult, Sprite. Where did you learn this recipe? Really? Gusto na din ninyo sa friends? It's nice for juice that has a little kick. Today, I'm gonna be buying my very first PC. Earlier this month, my laptop did not turn on. Like, the power was just gone. It's very slow, very laggy. The battery isn't working anymore, and I don't want to spend any more money to get it fixed. So I was actually wondering whether I should get a PC or a laptop. Ultimately, I wanted stability in doing my work, like editing, rendering. However, the downside is it's not portable, so I won't be able to go to cafes anymore and work there. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed now. Rox is coming with me. I was planning on buying a PC sometime this week, but today's Sunday. We're not really doing anything today. So yeah, we're gonna buy a PC. Oh, kunuin na ng 500.
Ano 500?
This is spicy level 3 sauce. Huh? What the? 200?
Nyala.
Rin na bilin.
Init mo rin. Kana ganin para po yung
Good morning. It is 2 days after. I was supposed to pick up my PC yesterday, but it was a bit hectic yesterday. We had our weekly meeting Monday morning. Then my brother had classes in the afternoon. Then after that, the rest of my fam went out. And then in the evening, I had reporting for class. So there was a very small time frame in which I could have went out and picked up my PC. So I'm doing that today. This is my outfit for today. I have a black bralette, black slacks, and white cardigan. We'll see what Rox is wearing. Oh my god! We have matching pants! Oh, stripe na black. And then stripe na black.
Di, nakabantay ko. Ni chat na baga sa kumanghod.
Sabadiha! Just been informed by Rox. Maybe I won't be able to use my computer today because it may not be Wi-Fi ready yet. I'm a little disappointed, Charot.
It's and then I bought it Sunday, today's Tuesday, and I was trying to be able to use it not today. And then it has so much cookie pala. Yeah, I have to pick it up 2 days after. Actually, I could pick it up within the day, but it's worth it with so much cookie. I just hope that after all of this cookie, it's gonna be good to go.
Spontaneous errand. We are gonna be adopting guinea pigs. Actually, just guinea pig. It's only one. There's a seller online who's selling it for really cheap, like right at this moment. And I'm just waiting for Rox. This is the time. Go.
Salamat te, ari sa amin.
Thank you. Git man ba?
Compress man.
Breakfast sa morning, sigarilyo o kape, Starbucks kung pwede, ang tambay lang sa balcony. Ooh, it's a beautiful life kung mochilang unta. Ooh, ang tanang problema ipadapi lang usa.
Not matching today.
Maayong pag-abot, feel at home o balata sa kong langog nga humot. Pagpiling mati mo basta pang
Ano, vampiro? Init yun.
We bought another guinea pig! Gikan mi super metro kay gisuga upa ko before mo lakaw. Now we're here. Pig ay
ay kabalak ka, basta kuyog lang ta, basta kuyog tang duha. Why blame?
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. You ain't sure yet.
I don't touch that.
But I'm for ya.
Good morning. We are at a church in the south. I don't know what it's called, but my grandma's flying back to America next week. I don't think she's gonna be coming back to the Philippines. It's probably her last day here. So we're at a church at the south, and then we're gonna grab lunch later. So yeah, that's the agenda for the Saturday. This is my outfit for the day. It's actually a dress from Shopee. These pants are thrifted. These sandals are from Celine, but I got them from Carousel. And this bag is from Carousel. My entire outfit today is very cheap. Charot.
All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more. Days we saved as souvenirs.
I wasn't able to get in because my top is a little showy and the guard asked me to like wear a shawl or a scarf. I didn't have any. I didn't go in alone. I don't mind though because I'm not very religious. I'm just here because of the elders in our fam.
Give you my whole life. I left my girl, I'm in Mallorca. Hate to leave her, call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left the package for him over. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I get the feeling, so I'm sure. Hand in my hand because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore. You're right for me. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Oh, not being distracted. The one I need is right in my arms. Your kisses taste the sweetest with mine, and I'll be right here with you till the end of time. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the social.